I did a lousy job of cleaning today, and because I started messing with this old wood lathe again because I got a few projects I wanted to do. I didn't get very far with it either because I still haven't got to figure out how that tightener is supposed to work to keep that in there. But anyway, I was messing around and I had the belt with a wire. You can't put the belt on this thing without taking this all apart, so I took an old belt. I'd seen where people were using wires to put a splice in belts to make them work. And I did that for the first few projects I did, and then when I was messing with it, I broke the belt again with a wire in it. So today, I thought I'd try this, and it seemed to work pretty good. I might throw a little bit of this video and a little bit of the video trying to chip away at some wood. But that zip tie, of course, those people that know me and watch my channel know that I keep the zip tie company in business. So anyway, just thought I'd throw that out there. If you ever need to have an emergency fix on the belt, you drill a couple holes in there, and if you got a zip tie, it'll hold it.